This 2020 Grand Design Solitude 380FL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, air conditioning, spare tire kit, Skylight, auxiliary battery, oven, carbon monoxide detector, DVD player, slide-out, microwave, TV antenna, and 93 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Grand Design Solitude 380FL is 14,866 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.